When it comes to swapping your cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain network, the number one DEX or decentralized exchange that most people go to is PancakeSwap. However, most of you have never heard of BiSwap before. BiSwap is actually a DEX that lays on the Smart Chain network. And if you go to the CoinMarketCap, they actually fall at number 7 with over $304 million in trading volume, which is nearly half of what PancakeSwap is doing. What this shows to me is that there's a tremendous amount of opportunity because people are constantly going to either BiSwap or PancakeSwap to swap from one cryptocurrency to the other. And if you understand how DEXs work, basically you get to be able to earn a percentage of the trading fees when people swap because you are providing the liquidity. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to provide liquidity in the liquidity pool so that you can actually earn some nice, juicy annual percentage yields on your money. I'm also going to show you how to farm as well as be able to stake your money as well. All right, guys, welcome back to Passive Income Group, where we show you some of the best ways that you can generate passive income right here in the digital space. My name is Tuan, and if you haven't done so yet, definitely smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. That way we can notify you every single time we upload a video. All right, guys, here we are actually on the BiSwap main home page, and they have great features that they say that they have the lowest trade fee in the DeFi space with 0.1%. And there's an exchange fee reimbursement as well up to 90%. And the current total value locked is $976 million. Guys, they're actually almost at $1 billion where there is liquidity in this entire protocol. That's huge. Congratulations to these guys who put it together. And it's a quite simple decentralized exchange. You can tell here they have a lot of cool things that's going on here. But let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is you need MetaMask wallet. See, whenever you want to exchange anything that's within the DeFi space, you're going to need MetaMask, okay? So if you don't have MetaMask, right above somewhere here, there's going to be a pop-up video that if you haven't set up MetaMask yet, it's going to pop up and you can go and click on that and watch exactly step-by-step how to download MetaMask and how to have it set up. And then the second thing you need to do is make sure that you add Binance Smart Chain to it. There will be another video that's going to pop up if you have not done that yet as well. So once you've done that, then the next thing you need to do is you got to make sure you have some BNB BEP20. So make sure you have BEP20 from somewhere. You know, there's you can get BEP20 from Binance International if you're in the international market. If you are actually in the United States, you can actually get BEP20 BNB, also known as BNB. Some of you guys get confused with that. But you can actually get BNB BEP20 also on the Binance US exchange. Also, you can find it on KuCoin. And one of my other places you can do is actually, you can purchase it on SafePal wallet. That's a really good wallet. I'll have a video that pops up above, so that way you can actually have that set up for you, and you can purchase it with the debit or credit card. So make sure you have BNB BEP20 in your MetaMask wallet. Now, once you've done that, you are going to actually get prompt to connect your wallet right here. So let me make sure I actually show you what that looks like. So basically, right when you go to the website, you can do this on your phone or you can do it on your computer. But once you actually get to the website, it's going to say connect wallet. And then it's going to prompt you to connecting to your wallet. So in this case, I'm showing you how to set it up with MetaMask. Now, you can also do it with Trust Wallet for those of you that are Android users, or you can do Wallet Connect right from your browser. But at this point, I'm going to show you how to do MetaMask. So you go and click on MetaMask and boom, now you're linked. Remember, you already have BNB BEP20 sent to your MetaMask wallet. I'm going to go ahead and actually show you what exchange looks like. So the main service is to be able to actually swap from one cryptocurrency to the other. And, you know, for example, there's BNB right here. And then you click on what other one you want to swap. The most popular one are these right here. So let's kind of come right back to this because I'm going to need to use this anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and go to farms. So here we are. There's a list of different liquidity pools that you can deposit your assets in. So this one will actually give me a 255.85% annual percentage yield. You're gonna need to actually have a pair of USDT and BiSwap tokens. So it has to be an equal amount. So in this case, I'm gonna show you what it looks like to do so. I'm gonna go ahead and actually put 4.2, okay? I'm gonna swap 4.2 and I'm gonna swap it for USDT, okay? So that's gonna be 2,349. Actually, matter of fact, let's see if we can even that out. 4.3, no, let's do 4.4. Okay, so I'm gonna do 4.4 and I'm gonna go ahead and do a swap. So I'm gonna swap from 4.4 BNB to $2,464 and some change. I'm gonna set the price change. And you can see right here that there's a price impact and there's a liquidity provider fee. This much goes into the pool where the liquidity provider gets a piece of that. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and confirm the blockchain fees. It's very, very minimal. And also the total amount that is actually being swapped. So here we are, it's officially done. And I'm gonna go ahead and go to my MetaMask to see if it actually pops up. Now it's not showing here, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click on CoinGecko. And then I'm gonna go ahead and actually scroll down and look for USDT Tether. I'm gonna go ahead and copy the contract address of USDT for Binance Smart Chain. Then I'm gonna go back to my MetaMask and I am going to import the token so it appears in my wallet just to confirm. Go ahead and paste it. Boom. Everything's correct. So I'm gonna add custom token. Here it is, import. And there's my money. Okay. 2,462. Perfect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go back to BiSwap. So now that I have USDT, all I need left is BSW. Remember, when you're providing liquidity, you have to create an equal amount of both assets, okay? So on right here on the exchange, I'm gonna go ahead and go back and I am going to put BNB and I am gonna click on BSW at the bottom. So earlier, I actually exchanged 4.4, I think so. Yep, that's correct. And so I should get, for 4.4, I should get 1,454 BSW. I'm gonna go and click on swap and I'm gonna confirm. I'm gonna confirm the blockchain fees, including the total amount. Should give me a confirmation any minute. And there we go, 1,450. So it's not gonna be showing in my MetaMask wallet. So I'm gonna go and go back to CoinGecko and I'm gonna put BSW. There's BiSwap right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing that I did earlier. And I'm gonna go and copy it. I actually simply put, I'm gonna click on add to MetaMask, add suggested tokens, add token, and I'm done. If I wanna double confirm, I click on that, click on MetaMask, and there it is, perfect. So now that I have the equal amount, I'm gonna go and click on liquidity, and I'm gonna add liquidity. I'm gonna go and change this, put USDT, and then I'm gonna go and click on BSW. I'm gonna click max, either or, and here it is. This is an equal balance of a pair of two assets, USDT and BSW. Now it says here I have an insufficient USDT balance. So I don't have enough USDT, so I'm gonna click max of USDT instead. Okay, approve USDT. And then also at the same time, I'm also going to approve BSW. I'm gonna wait for this to complete first. Now, what you'll notice that once you approve both BSW and USDT, then you're going to be able to see the supply button actually appear, and that, there we go. And once you're done, you click on supply, and then you confirm. MetaMask is gonna go ahead and actually confirm everything. Of course, there's blockchain fees, very little. So now it's official. I have provided liquidity within the liquidity pool, and I'm going to be able to get 0.02% share of the pool on all the swap or exchanges that's actually happening within the BiSwap. Now, once you're done providing liquidity, what's important is you want to click on farms, and right under farms, you want to make sure that you go ahead and approve stake and then stake it. What it's going to do is it's going to take your liquidity pool tokens that you just provided, the pair that you just did, and you're going to actually stake it as well. What this is going to do is it's going to give you double rewards by staking your LP tokens in return for additional BiSwap tokens and earn high income from the swap transactions. So I just went ahead and did it, and you're going to notice that once you've done doing it, you'll know you did it correctly. Right here, it's going to show you over here, and it's going to pop up right over here every time that you're able to actually stake and earn BiSwap tokens from staking your LP tokens right over here. And when you earn it right here, you can actually harvest it. And then of course, I'm going to show you exactly how to stake this. Now let's actually hover over to launch pools, because this is another passive income that you can generate. Here we are on launch pools, and this is all staking opportunities. Now these are all staking opportunities. You'll notice that the first one that pops up right in front of you is the auto compound APY of 83.99% of BSW. So this is basically an opportunity for you to be able to take BSW and be able to actually stake it and earn nearly 84% on your money. This is awesome. This is actually passive. It's coming in. Again, this is a decentralized exchange that's considered there's a tremendous amount of volume in. People are trading, and I don't see BiSwap going anywhere. So I really, in my opinion, I think this is great based on volume and the amount of attention that BiSwap is getting. What I would do is be able to actually just stake BSW. Again, these are just suggestions of what I am doing. I always gotta let you guys know that I make these videos for educational purposes only. I'm definitely not your financial advisor, or I'm not telling you what to do, but these are things that I'm doing as a cryptocurrency enthusiast, okay? So last part here, I'm just going to give you a demonstration in terms of closing out the topic of launch pools. You just want to click on approve BSW. MetaMask is going to pop up. You want to make sure that you approve that. So I'm going to go and click on plus, and I'm going to click on max. I have 18.4 BSW. I'm going to click on confirm. Again, every transaction you do, MetaMask is going to go ahead and confirm. There are transaction or blockchain fees, and I'm going to click on confirm. And right now, I'm just going to go and wait for the approval of that, and it's going to be all set right afterwards. Very, very simple. And here's the best part. You are actually earning 83.99% on your money, annual percentage yield. And the best part is that this thing is going to be auto staking, auto hyper compounding for me. Okay, so currently right now I have $31 in here. I'm definitely going to add more. And one of the strategies that I will be doing, and I'll do updates on this, maybe every few weeks or so, is that the interest that I actually earn, or the annual percentage yield that I will earn from farming, is going to pay me out in BSW. I'm going to go and withdraw that BSW, and I'm going to stake it so that way I can actually double earn on my money. I've done that with PancakeSwap and many other decentralized exchanges. Guys, also one cool thing about BiSwap is they're the only decentralized exchange that offer a referral program. You can actually refer people and friends to be able to actually provide liquidity, stake, and you can actually earn 5% from their earnings. So guys, I will actually include my referral link. Definitely go ahead and click on that, support our community, support this channel, so that way we can keep it going. So with that, hopefully this video helps. If you guys have any questions or comment, definitely drop it below. If you guys have anything that you want me to review or do research on, or you want me to make a video on, definitely make a comment below. But guys, there's tremendous amount of ways that you can earn passive income. I would say that BiSwap is one of the more safer ways that you can earn passive income. That's pretty much it, you guys. If you found this video very helpful, go and click that like button, subscribe, and definitely ring that bell. That way we can keep you updated every single time we upload videos. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.